Make una Siddon look for candidate wey go carry the party Waka Enta victory for 2023. Buhari to APC presidential aspirant. President Muhammadu Buhari will meet with the All Progressive Congress APC National Advisory Council for Status Abuja don beg the members for the council to help promote concessions and consultations, make strong candidate for come out from the convention.
I recognize the fact that you all have diverse interests, spheres of influence, and expectations. You similarly possess the collective ability to ensure our victory at the 2023 polls by strengthening the stability and unity of the party. My charge and appeal to you all, therefore, is to reach out to your various spheres of influence to actively promote the spirit of consultation and consensus building so that a formidable candidate for the 2023 presidential elections would emerge from the convention. Our citizens do not expect less from us.
Buhari can talk say anybody wey dem choose wey go collect the party flag go strengthen the unity of the country and must ready gidigba to deal with the plenty wahala wey the country dey face.
I wish to assure you that in the interest of the nation and the party, I shall lead the transition process and ongoing consultation till we successfully choose our candidate for the 2023 presidential election and record our third straight victory thereafter, by God's grace.
The ogbonge speakers wey dey the meeting come join body talk say with hard work and unity, APC go win the presidential election for 2023. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.